chutney podi. So first let's heat a pan and add the till seeds or the sesame seeds to this, because they get fried very quickly. So that's why we are going to first fry them and then remove them. See, can you see there's a change in color? That's enough. So let's remove that and add it to the mixer jar. Now add the flax seeds. See, this flax seeds is added just as an option, like it's good for health and it doesn't have a flavor of its own. So that's why we are adding flax seeds to this. It depends, if you don't find it or if it's not available, you can just avoid them. And now add the Bengal gram dal. The Bengal gram dal also adds a flavor, so that's why we are adding it. Without that, just the plain urad dal will also do good. But always I like to give this Bengal gram flavor, so that's why I am adding the Bengal gram dal. Just fry it lightly until the slight change in color. Now it's done. Add the urad dal. Now this has to really have a nice change in color. It should become a light golden brown. See to that the flame is in low or medium, because high flame can just change the color but the flavor will get ruined. So that's why it's always better to go for a low or a medium flame and keep frying them until there is a nice change in color. So here, have a look at this. It's changed nicely. Golden brown color has come. So let's remove this at this stage and allow all these ingredients to cool actually, and then only we can make them into gunpowder or the idli powder. I am adding everything to the mixer jar and I will allow them to cool completely. And lastly, add the red chilies. Red chilies depends upon the spice your family and you would prefer. So accordingly you can adjust. You can add either 15 or 20 for this, and it totally depends upon how much you would like to flavor it. Add a pinch of tamarind. Normally this tamarind, not much of them would prefer. Not much of them would have mentioned, but I would like to state that this tamarind is enhancing the taste so beautifully. So definitely add a pinch of tamarind to this and some curry leaves. So take proper caution that because we are frying the red chilies, we might develop some cough. So keep your windows open and your chimneys on so that it is not affecting you. Now once it's done, just put them. Now allow this to completely cool and grind it. So dear friends, here we have the lovely chutney podi or idli podi. Do try this powder and keep us posted. Dosa to Pizza is all about enhancing your taste buds. Thank you and bye-bye.